Why would you settle for less than what you deserve?
I think we always deserve something more. But you
Okay.
cannot always expect it to, or from a person that you will fall in love with. Parang ang pangit naman pakinggan na the person you got in love with is less than what you deserve, di ba? Then, why not let your partner deserve it, di ba? Or make it work to deserve each other.
Yes.
Ganyan.
Iyon, tama yun. Kasi, para sa akin how would you know if you deserve yung mga nararanasan mo sa buhay? So, sa relationship, hindi porke parang nagsa-struggle kayo or hindi nabibigay ng partner mo yung binibigay, eh yun
Or
yung
hindi
deserve
pa kaya.
mo. Oo, hindi yun yung deserve mo. Sabi mo nga, try to work on it with your partner.
Oo.
I think teamwork yan eh. Hindi yan yung one way. Gusto mo, sige, bigay lang ni partner, ni husband yung lahat ng gusto mong matanggap, material na bagay, oras, pero ikaw, wala ka rin namang ginagawa para, alam mo yon, mangyari yon. So, ayun, hindi ko masasabi na yung mga natatanggap mo, nangyayari sa'yo, is deserve mo or not.
No. At saka parang yung dating nito is if you settle for less,
Oo, parang,
may kapabayaan ka din doon.
yeah,
di
totoo,
ba?
totoo.
Dapat, wag mong hayaan. Wag mo hayaan in a sense na hahanap ka na ng iba.
Correct.
If tingin mo less yung nabibigay ng partner mo, tulungan mo siya.
Correct.